Good morning, children. Today is the sixth day, and we are doing the topic. We are going on with the topic, the fish tail, and the concept for today's topic is rounding off. We will approximate and estimate. First, let us know what does rounding off means. Rounding off is a type of estimation. It means a large number made simpler by keeping its value closer to the next or desired place value. Once again, rounding off is a type of estimation. It means a large number made simpler by keeping its value closer to the next or desired place value. Rounding off is done at various places like place value of tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. Rounding off is done to preserve the significant figures. Now, what is the meaning of significant figures here? Significant figures means the number of digits in a value contributing to the accuracy of the value. The figures that are available starting from first non-zero digit. I'll give few examples here. In 39200 there are 5 significant figures because the first number starts from 3, which is non-zero. So from here we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 significant figures. Here in this number 29484268, that is 2,94,268. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures. Are you understanding the meaning of significant figures? Okay. Now we shall know some rounding off rules. So if the digit immediately to the right of the last significant figure is more than 5, then you round up. Once again, I'll read the first rule. If the digit immediately to the right of the last significant figure is more than 5, then you round up. It means, see, I have given an example. If this number 34,526 has to be rounded off to nearest tens. So the last significant figure will be of tens place. Okay. Then the digit at tens place, which is called the last significant figure, is 2. So here last significant figure is 2 here. And the number right to it is 6. The number right to it is 6. Now we check if 6 is equal to 5 or more than 5, or is it less than 5. That is, if 6 is more than or equal to 5, or is it less than 5. Here clearly 6 is greater than or equal to 5. It means we round up. Understanding? Now we shall look into the second rule. If the digit immediately to the right of the last significant figure is less than 5, then you round down. For example, in this number 34,523, which has to be rounded off to nearest tens, the digit at tens place, which is also called the last significant figure, is 2. This is tens place. The digit here is 2. And the number right to it. You can just check the number right to it. This number is 3. The digit right to it. Actually, it is the digit. The digit right to it is 3. Now check if 3 is equal to 5, less than or equal to 5, less than 5 or more than or equal to 5. So when we check here, 3 is clearly less than 5. When 3 is less than 5, then you round it down. When it is less, you round it down. If it is more than or equal to, we round up. Okay. So now you know the meaning of rounding up and rounding down. Now coming to the next rule. Rounding up means making the digit next to the significant figure 0 and then adding 1 to the digit in the significant figure. In this example, the units digit becomes 0 because here the digit next to the significant figure, okay, that has to be made 0, and since we are rounding it up in the example 1, we will add 1 to the tens digit. So what happens? Tens digit is already 2. So it becomes 2 plus 1, 3. So tens digit becomes 0 and unit digit will reduce to 0. Hence 34,526 rounded off to nearest tens becomes 34,530. See here we can see 26 is nearer to 20 or 30. Okay, we will take multiples in terms of tens. 26, the number 26. Since 2 is in tens place, we will take 26 as the number. We have to check the multiples of like like between which multiples of tens the 26 exists. 26 exists between 20 and 30, and 26 is more closer to 30. Okay, it is 6 away from 20 whereas 4 away from 30. Okay, so it will be rounded off to 34,530. Now rounding down means to simply making the digit next to the significant figure 0. That is, in example 2, where we have seen we have to round off 34,523 into nearest round, we have to round it off to nearest tens. So 23 we will take like in between which two multiples of 10 does 23 lies we will take. So 23 lies between 20 and 30. So we will check whether it is nearer to 20 or nearer to 30. It is 3 away from 20 whereas 7 away from 30. So 3, 4, 5, 2, 3 rounded off to nearest tens will become 34,520. Now we shall look at some more examples. First example, we are going to round off 4,865 to nearest tens. The digit in tens place here, which is also called significant figure, or rounding place, is 6. The digits in 10 place is 6 and the digit right to it is 5. Now we will check whether this 5 is less than more than equal to 5 or less than 5. It is exactly equal to 5, that is it comes in the category of more than equal to 5. Then what we do, we round it up. Hence we make the digit in the next place to which we have to round it off, the digit next to it we will make it 0, and since we are rounding up we will add 1 to the digit in the tens place. Okay, the digit in tens place, we will add 1 to the digit in the tens place. So tens place become 6 plus 1, so this becomes 70. So 4,865 when rounded off to nearest tens or tens place is 4,870. In other words, we will like have a second way of finding it out. In other words, 4865, which has to be rounded off to nearest tens. First we will mark the tens place here. Tens place is 6. So I have marked it with red color. 4865 lies between 4860 and 4870. Since 6 is in tens place, we have to take multiple of 10. So 65 lies between which two multiples of 10 we have to check. So it lies between 60 and 70. Okay. Since it is equal to, it is in the center, exactly in the center, we will round it up. So when rounded up, it becomes 4870. Therefore, 4865 when rounded off to nearest tens, it becomes 4870. Now we will move on to another example where we are rounding off to nearest hundreds. Let us round off 4865 to nearest hundreds here. Again, the digit in hundreds place is 8 and the digit right to it is 6. So we will just check whether this 6 is more than or equal to 5 or less than 5. 6 is clearly more than or equal to 5. Hence we round it up. We round up. Hence, what is the rule for rounding up? We will make these all digits 0. Like the digits in units place and tens place will be made 0. And we will add 1 to the digit in the hundreds place. Since we are rounding off to nearest hundreds, we will add 1 to the digit in hundreds place. So, since we add 1 to 8, it becomes 9. Hence, 4865 rounded off to nearest hundreds will become 4900 because we are reducing digit in ones place and tens place to 0. In other words, we will diagrammatically also understand the same thing. When we are rounding 4865 to nearest hundred, we can mark the hundreds place first. So I have marked it with red color. Now we will take since it is hundreds place, we will take multiples of 100. 865 will lie between which two hundreds? So it will lie between 800 and 900. 865 lies between 800 and 900. So 4865 lies between 4800 and 4900. So I have marked this scale with starting from 4800, 4000, 810, 4820, 4830, 4840, 4850, 4860, 4870. So you can clearly see 4865 is lying between 4860 and 4870. 4880, 4890, and this is 4900. Now check. Is it nearer to 4800? Is this number nearer to 4800 or nearer to 4900? Clearly it is nearer to 4900. So when 865 being nearer to 900, we round 4865, we round it off. When rounded off to nearest 100, it becomes 4900. Let us see few more examples to clear the concepts. Now let round off 48,265 to nearest thousands. So first we will check the digit in the thousands place, which is rounding place or significant figure, what we call. So the significant figure or rounding place is 8. Okay. Now the number right to it is 2. The digit right to it is 2. So 2 clearly is less than 5. So since it is smaller than 5, we will round it down. This time we are rounding it down. Hence, whenever we round it down, we make ones place, tens place, hundreds place. because we are rounding off thousands place, so all these places, hundreds place, tens place, ones place, all these reduce to 0, 0, 0. So all of them reduce to 0, and we keep the thousands place as it is. We will not touch this number. Thousands place, 10,000 place, these numbers we are not going to touch. We will keep as it is. Therefore, 48,265 when rounded off to nearest thousand will become 48,000. In other words, we will also understand it diagrammatically. When we have to round off this number to nearest thousands, we will first mark thousands place. So I have marked 8 with red color. Now this, since it is in thousands place, 8,265 lies between 8,000 and 9,000. We will take in multiples of 1,000 here. So it lies between 8,000 and 9,000. So clearly this number lies between 48,000 and 49,000. So I have written 48,000, 48,100, 48,200, 48,300. See, you can see this number lies between 48,200 to 48,300. 48,400, 48,500, 48,600, 48,700, 48,800, 48,900, and this is 49,000. Now 48,265 is nearer to 48,000. Hence, when we round off this number, it is round to nearest thousands, it is rounded off to 48,000. Similarly, look at one more example to make the concept more clear. Here we are rounding off 15 lakh 40,865 to nearest lakhs. The digit in lakhs place is 5 and the digit right to it is 4. 4 is clearly less than 5, hence we round it down. When we are rounding down, the digits here after 5, this digit, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these digits will reduce to 0. All the digit in ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place and 10,000 place will become 0, and we keep digit in lakhs and 10 lakhs place as it is. Hence 15 lakhs 40,865 rounded off to nearest lakhs is 15 lakhs. Now in other words, let us understand it diagrammatically. When I have to round this off to nearest lakhs, we will first mark lakhs place. So I have marked lakhs place with red color. Okay. Now 15 lakh 40,865 lies between. Now we have to take multiples of lakhs. So here it will become 15. It lies between 15 lakhs and 16 lakhs. So I have written this line as 15 lakhs, this line as 16 lakhs, and this number 15 lakh 10,000, 15 lakh 20,000, 15 lakh 30,000, 15 lakh 40,000, 15 lakh 50,000. So this 15 lakh 40,865 lies between these two numbers. So I have placed it here. So you can check it is nearer to this number or this number. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and some distance away, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and some distance away. So this number being nearer to 15 lakh, when I round off 15 lakh 40,865 to nearest lakh, it becomes 15 lakhs. Now I'll give one question for you to round off to nearest tens, the same number to round off to nearest thousands and to nearest 10,000. So let us round off 3,27,518 to nearest tens, nearest thousands and nearest 10,000s. Children, do this question tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we shall start afresh with the next topic. Thank you.